ఓం శాంతి. పరంజ్యోతి యోగకి స్వాగతం. వెల్కమ్ టు పరంజ్యోతి యోగా.
Welcome to the second module of the micro exercises. In this, first let us practice exercises for the hands, shoulders and fingers. Stretch your hands in front of you and spread out your fingers widely. Clench your fingers, spread your fingers, clench your fingers. You can repeat this for a maximum of 3 times. Next, let us do for wrists. Fold your wrists with your thumb inside and rotate them in one direction. After some time, start rotating them in the opposite direction. Very good for people working for long hours in front of computers. Now let us practice for the lower arm. Extend your arms in front of you and roll them front, back, front, back. Repeat for 3 times. Very good. Now let us do outward motion. Fold your hands near the elbows and take them outside, inside, outside, inside. While doing all these hand exercises, remember to breathe, inhale and exhale, and only through the nose. If at any time you feel fatigue, you can stop the practice. You can do each of these exercises 3 times max on each side. Next, let us proceed for shoulder exercises. Let us practice with shoulder rotation. You have to practice this both in clockwise and anti-clockwise directions. At first, make them move from forward to backward, and next make them move from backward to forward. So now you have done good exercise starting from the shoulders to the elbows to the arms to the wrists and to your hands. Welcome to the final part of micro exercises, where we will do exercises for the legs. We will learn these exercises for both sitting as well as standing positions, and also you can practice them sitting on a chair. So let us begin the leg exercises. First, let us start with ankles, as they bear the whole weight of the body. So rotate them in clockwise direction 3 times and then in anti-clockwise direction 3 times. Remember, stretching like this relaxes the ankle a lot, and it also enhances its strength. Now, move the ankles forward and backward 3 times in each direction. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. At any point of time, if you are experiencing pain or unable to continue, you can stop the practice. Now the final movements for the ankles, which is outward inward movement. So outward, inward, outward, inward, outward, inward. So you can practice this 3 times outward and 3 times inward. So by doing these 3 ankle exercises daily, you will find that your ankles have improved in their strength a lot. Next, we will start exercises for the knees. But remember, if you are having any complications with your knee, or if you are undergoing some treatment for your knees, please always consult your doctor before starting these exercises. Otherwise, for anybody who is enjoying a healthy knee, it's very beneficial that doing these practices every day keeps your knees very agile, very active, flexible, and makes them strong. The first knee exercise is called cradling of the knee. Fold your right leg. Place your right foot on your left knee. Pull the leg towards your groin as much as possible. Now, hold your ankle, hold your knee, and start cradling the knee up and down, up and down, up and down. While doing this, you will feel that your knee is becoming slowly very flexible, it is becoming very active. Very good. Now let us start on the left side. Next, you spread your legs in front of you and fold, extend, fold, extend. Repeat like this 3 times on right side and on left side. Doing all these asanas for your knee, make sure that you don't get knee problems at a very early age. Otherwise, nowadays, even youngsters are also facing knee problems and knee issues. So these exercises might look very simple, but by daily practice of them, you will realize that you are becoming more fast, more active. You are not suffering from small pains, and even if you stand, walk, or do engage in a physical activity for a longer time, also your legs are cooperating with you. Another very beneficial exercise for your hip area and for the groin area is the butterfly pose or the Baddha Konasana. So sit like this and hold your legs and try to put the foot of your leg as close as possible to the groin region. Try to do as per your flexibility. If the first day itself, if you are not able to achieve this pose, that is fine, but daily practice is very good. But as mentioned, always make sure that before doing all these asanas, if you have any serious medical problems or complications, you consult with a doctor. Hence, it is always better to learn yoga in a personal one-on-one mode. If you can flap your legs up and down like butterfly wings. Now, let us see the same exercises in standing position. Please stand up. When you stand, make sure that your body weight is balanced equally on both the legs, and also it is balanced equally on the entire foot. You're not standing too much on your toes, you're not standing too much on your heels, and that you're not leaning more towards right side or more towards left side. Stand straight. Make sure that the weight is equally balanced on both legs, and also expand your chest, hands by the side of your body, and look straight in front of you. First, let us do for the toes. Stand on your toes and come down. Stand and come down. If you feel you do not have enough balance, please take the support of a wall or support of a chair and practice this exercise. Now let us practice back kicks. In back kicks, turn back, place your hands on your waist and try kicking your buttocks with your heels. Right side, left side, right side, left side. On the first day itself, the heel may not touch the buttocks, but regular practice you will be able to achieve this. This is in the next pose. We will try to kick the legs up and down. So right leg up, down, left leg up, down, right leg up, down. Repeat 3 times on each side. Now outward kicks. Stand straight and kick your leg outside right and left leg outside inside. Right leg outside inside, left leg outside inside. At any point of time, if you feel that you are losing balance, please take the support of a wall or some very stationary object. Very good practice. You all have totally seen all the micro exercises. Though these exercises look very simple, but daily practice of these exercises will give innumerable number of benefits. Also, it will make your body flexible in order to do big asanas and much more complicated asanas in the future. Also, you can observe that many asanas can be performed in sitting position, in a chair, on the ground, or even in standing position. Thank you for watching all the micro exercise videos. We hope that these videos have been immensely beneficial for you and your family. To know more about yoga and to watch many such beneficial videos, please subscribe to our channel Paramjyoti Yoga and please like and share this video. Om Shanti.